When network equipment needs replacing, what if you could get those replacements shipped and installed faster, with less impact on your team, and for a lower cost than you can do yourself, all simply by leveraging a partner's existing operations? I'm David Murray, Product Manager for Sienna Services. And that's the business case for two complementary services capabilities: managed spares and engineering dispatch. Managed spares is more than shipping parts. It's full-on inventory management and logistics. Sienna have built a global network of hundreds of strategically positioned warehouses and depots, and we leverage AI-optimized inventory planning so that we can ensure that we're ready to ship to your location on a moment's notice. Because we do this for our global customer base, you share in powerful economies of scale rather than trying to recreate them yourself. Your benefit: the right part is at the right place at the right time, and you have no worries about procuring additional inventory, managing inventory levels, overseeing warehousing, or even coordinating logistics. Nothing. We do everything. All you need to do is choose a model that best suits your needs, be it 4-hour delivery, next business day delivery, or next business day ship. Engineering Dispatch sends a Sienna expert to support your network with on-site troubleshooting and maintenance expertise. When you pair this with managed spares, our expert arrives on site, recovers the failed equipment, and then properly installs the replacement so that you're back to full operation fast. What about cost? Actually, that's a great story. When comparing those fully burdened costs, managed spares is a far more cost-effective solution than a DIY approach, on average, reducing your costs by about a third. Managed spares and engineering dispatch are all about reducing OpEx and CapEx, optimizing your staffing levels, and ensuring peak network performance with none of those management headaches. Certainly, you can do all this yourself, but the real question is, why would you? It's time for a better model.